I have day 3 hair. I wanted to kind of show y'all what it looked like. So I refreshed my hair once yesterday, and then today my hair's been up all day, and this is how it looks like with no refresh. So I mentioned earlier that I had this Defunk odor neutralizing tonic for locks, natural and protective style. So I was like, let me see if I can try using this to potentially refresh. So it says, rescue your hair from your sweaty exercise, greasy spoon, and smoky juke joint blues with our hair refresher tonic. Cleanses and soothes itchy scalp, neutralizes odor, and stimulates hair growth. Fortified with plant extracts. Fortified with plant extracts, including chamomile, lavender, and hops to prevent hair loss and provide shine. So I'm excited. Let's see how this works. Smells like, wow. It smells like perfume. It smells really good. Okay, so I'm probably gonna this would be really great if you had braids or locks or twist or anything. Okay, so definitely feels very refreshed and it's a little sticky, but a lot of times when I use refreshers, I've never used a refresher that is supposed to kind of cleanse your hair. It's usually really sticky. I'm gonna add some more good hair just because personally I'm more of a cream person and not a gel person. So I think I just always have kind of mixed results with gel and more consistent results with creams. Okay, gonna wet the back a little bit more. My friend Amber loves gels. Shout out to her. Shout out to her. She didn't just get married, but she got married in May. So shout out to her and Cody. Mentioning her because she is someone that is super inspiring. She used to do hair videos a few years ago, and I was obsessed, and we've known each other since elementary school, and she's just a great friend. She's one of those people that we literally don't really hang out that much because I wasn't living here. And we went to different high schools and different colleges and all that. But she's one of the people who I kind of just reconnected with just through being on Instagram and social media. And now we talk every day, which is kind of crazy. So shout out to you, Amber. Can't wait until you get back into making your videos. Notes coming soon. Yeah. So y'all should go follow her too, because she has amazing content and she's posting her wedding photos right now, which are absolutely beautiful. Her Instagram name is Amber Aura, _ Amber Aura. I think if you type in Amber Aura, you should find it. So yeah, that's my friend highlight today. So this is actually looking really good. To be honest, this is the first time I've really actually fully refreshed my hair in forever. Like, I got really accustomed into doing wash and goes, which is kind of crazy because I was living in Chicago and it is cold for most of the year there, and so wash and goes aren't the most conducive, especially when it's 20 below. But somehow I still managed to do wash and goes, and I would always just push wash day until I really needed to wash my hair, and then I would, yeah. So basically, I'm trying to say I usually don't go back in with products. I usually will just do my hair for an event or something I need to go to, and then ride it out until day 3 with my curls, or even day 2, and then I would put it in a ponytail, and then maybe a few days later, once I had to go to something else, I would then wash it. So I'm trying to get out of the habit of doing that, just so I can really take care of my hair, because when it's up all day, I feel like it's just up. The curls aren't getting any love. And then they're super flat, and then it also might be why I've noticed I've had a lot of shedding in the shower. I love these results. It looks like I'm doing a wash and go, and yeah, I'm very impressed, because usually my hair ends up getting kind of sticky when I go back over with product, or it gets kind of frizzy. So obviously this isn't the final product because I still need to let it dry, but I can say that I will be using this good hair. And as you can see, this is the back. It's very defined. Yeah, the closer I get, you can see the white, but like I said, it doesn't dry like that, which is good. Really use it, but I'm gonna go back. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. And like I said, this stuff smells so good. It smells like banana pudding. All right, so here we are. And I love, curls are super defined, not really frizzy. This is my hair. Love it. Shout out to Uncle Funky's Daughter again. They are Black owned hair brand. I'm super excited to try their shampoo, try the super curl that I got. Oh, last thing, I forgot to spray this last time. This is Glossy, the finishing hair polish. Unleash your supernatural power to combat dull curls with our finishing hair polish. Bites, frizz, hydrates, and provides visual shine. The directions are: spray over finished style to create a brilliant, long-lasting shine. Spray 4 to 6 inches from hair to ensure even distribution. So, I'm getting stuck or jammed, but do you, wow, it's considerably more shiny than it was a few seconds ago. So I love this. that definitely is a good addition. I probably will end up getting the full size of this. Have the full size of that. Maybe Midnight Train. Most likely Defunk. And I have full size of everything else. Also, before I go, I just wanted to just say thanks y'all so much for supporting me. And I know it's been a tough few weeks. We're going on, this will be the end of the third week of just craziness and madness. Because first, before, earlier in May, it was Ahmaud Arbery. And then even before that, it was Breonna Taylor. And she still has not had any justice. So that just breaks my heart. And it's just wild, just the world that we're living in right now. And then there's George Floyd, Rayshard Brooks that I mentioned earlier. Then we started this week and we found out that Oluwatoyin Salau was found and she was killed. And actually over the weekend, or maybe not over the weekend, but over the weekend, I guess it surfaced that she had put out basically what happened to her, and basically no one was helping her, which is super sad. So I think it came out in the news early Monday morning, and she had been missing since June 6th, I believe. And that's just, it's just, honestly, it's just like, what's going on? Like, it honestly blows my mind sometimes. And so, yeah. And then there was also another woman who I believe was 70. So the Toyin, which is her nickname, she was only 19, and she was also a Black Lives Matter like activist. Like, she was out there protesting, and she ends up getting killed, and she wasn't helped when she asked for help, which is absolutely ridiculous. And then also they found a woman named Vicky Sims who was, I believe, 75, and she also disappeared and was found later. So it's just like every week there's something. So I hope y'all take the time to rest, engage in some form of self-care, multiple forms of self-care if you can. Celebrate Juneteenth. Like, it's crazy. I think I found out about the holiday maybe a few years ago. And now it's like people got work off. People are having barbecues. People are having parties. Like, take the time to celebrate. I know it's super, super hard to celebrate when everything's going on. Trust me. I know. I have my mental health things that are going on. All of these things are going on in the world. Don't really know what I'm doing with my life. Honestly, truly. But, you can feel all those ways and still make some room to be celebratory. Celebrate with your friends, celebrate with your family, celebrate with your loved ones. So I hope you guys have a happy and healthy and restful weekend, and I will see y'all really soon. And thanks for watching Shy Girl Sentiments. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and comment. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching again, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye.